Okay, another example of factoring. So this will be our third example. We have m squared plus 18m plus 81 equals 0. So step 1, we'll draw this. Kanang m squared, bulagon siya. So we have m and then another m on this side. Then, nantaw na to ang last term or the constant, which is 81. So, look for the factors of 81. We have 9 times 9, negative 9 times negative 9. 81 times 1, and so on. Pangitao na to ani sa iyang factors nga kung i-add na to siya will give us positive 18. So obviously that's the first one. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So we will use positive 9, positive man, and another positive 9. So by zero product property, we will equate both the equations to 0. So m plus 9 equals 0 and another m plus 9 equals 0. So kani atong i-balance sa pikas, positive 9 will become negative 9. Wala na bili ang 0, so we have m equals negative 9. The same is true on the right side. M equals negative 9. So there you go. So kani siya nga skill class, kadagayan yung practice ani, ma-master ninyo, ma-uptake na yung mata. But at first, I understand nga medyo muluding yun siya gamay. Pero just practice on writing the factors of certain numbers. Dayon, mental computations sa iyahang sum para mas uptake mo maglantaw ani kaning technique. So now I will give you class an example of a quadratic function or equation rather that is not written in standard form, and what is the first thing that you should do about it before you can start factoring. So we have n squared plus 2n equals 15. So this is our fourth example. So notice na ang atuang constant na siya sa other side. Dapat ang atuang standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. Ang constant na diri is equal to 0. So you need to rewrite this first into standard form. So kani atuan na po siyang ipatabok, this time from the right side to the left side. So this is positive 15. So may mo na siya n squared plus 2n, and positive 15 will become negative 15. Then this is equal to 0. So now that we have already written our quadratic equation in standard form, then we can start factoring. So step 1, so our n squared, ito lang siyang bulagon. And then, what are the factors of negative 15? So negative 15, we have negative 3 times 5, or you have 3 times negative 5, or we have negative 1 times 15, or 1 times negative 15. And then, after you ma-write ang factors, look for the two factors nga kung imuhang i-add, mo equal siya sa middle term, which is 2. So, this is negative 3 plus 5. So, pila man ang negative 3 plus 5, imuhang utang is 3, imong kwarta is 5. Pilay imuhang sukli? 2. So, we are looking for 2. So, we will use these factors. Negative 3, positive 5. And then, atoa siyang equate to 0. So, we have n minus 3 equals 0. On the other side will be n plus 5 equals 0. So, wala na may value ang 0. Kanya itong i-transpose. May mo siyang n equals negative 3. Mutabok sa tulay will become positive 3. You may or may not write positive here. Kaya basta walay sign, understandable, it is already positive. And on the other side, we have the transpose positive 5 sa tabok sa tulay. So, that will give you n is equal to positive 5 will become negative 5. So, these are now the roots of n squared plus 2n equals 15 by factoring. So, that will be all for tonight. So, if napagyapon mo yung mga kalibog diha guys, so you can comment below kung unsa ang mga topic within this module nga gusto niyo i-expound pa nako. Kay marag gabi namang good. So, i-comment na lang ninyo ha. Kaya ang ako ang estudyante diri sa kapag parang wa na ninaw sa akong discussion ang iyahang module gihabol o marag liwat-liwat ninyo ni. Liwat ninyo ni guys. Gihabol ang module Y answer bisag isa. So, see you next time. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and God bless.